Second attempt at gear 5. Oh no, that doesn't seem like gear 5. That looks more like it. Did you know that there's a gear 6?
Yeah. In this car?
Yep.
Oh crap, I thought you were only up to gear 5.
Nah, gear 6 again. Are you ready for your first time using gear 6? Pull it straight down. That's it. How does it feel? Does it feel like a rally driver?
I feel like an F1 racer.
Oh, take it easy. Beep, beep, beep. Gear 6 for the first time.
Yeah, I'm just getting kicked. Do you think I'm going to be a dangerous driver when I pass?
Nah, I think you will get to the level where you're a very safe driver because you're progressing nicely. You're obviously not there yet, but like the stuff like that, I had to help you with. Yeah? Take it easy, we're going to turn right and go, but this time allow me to talk you through, okay?
This.
And just be aware the light could change, but that's a good approach speed. Good. You could not stop there again because that was the last second, yeah? Start checking the left if it's safe. Good. And continue following your position. We pass 2, keep your position. We're coming up